think it is a good beginning. Because this particular trend, if I'm, for lack of better term to use, or this particular way of thinking in how to do business, incorporating, corporate social responsibility in the heart of your entire business process is a recent thing. Because if you look at the what has been going on, most of the corporations are just basically doing a lot of philanthropy work. But actually looking and doing corporate social responsibility that is part and parcel of everyone's business, of his or her business operation is a new thing. There are different ways of measuring the results of a corporate social responsibility program. If you are an audience, if you are looking at it from the outside, first thing that you will see is that, is this social responsibility program a one-off thing, or is this something that is sustainable? Diba? Meron ba itong patutunguhan? And also, the thing is, we are part of the community. We have to police each other. If you think na ang corporate social responsibility program, itong kumpanyang to, ay hindi sustainable at ginagawa para pang papogi lang at pagpapagwapo lang, we have a responsibility to tell it to them. Hindi ba? Because you have to see not only the output of the program, but what is the real outcome. That is why a lot of the corporations now are doing corporate social responsibility programs that are close to their business, katulad nga ng ginagawa ng Globe. Hindi ka gagawa ng isang medical mission kung ikaw ay nasa telecoms, no? Because, kasi ang isang kumpanya, ang isang negosyo, kinakailangan kumita. Kasi paano ka gagawa ng kabutihan sa iyong komunidad kung hindi ka naman kumikita, di ba? That is why I use the Newsbreak definition of corporate social responsibility, which is profit, which is central to a business organization, plus enlightened self-interest equals corporate social responsibility. But as I said, if, for example, yung a lot of merong mga philanthropy cases tayo na nakikita, okay, nagtayo ng isang eskwelahan sa tabi ng isang faktorya. Pagkatapos, makita mo, after a while, nilalangaw na yung eskwelahan. Kasi yung palang faktorya is not healthy and nag-a-attract ng langaw. So, dapat kung ikaw na andoon sa komunidad na yun, sasabihin mo rin sa kanila, hindi ito po pwede kasi itong ginagawa nyo, hindi ito tama at hindi talaga nag-a-answer sa needs namin.